Hi, my name is Chris Beasley. Welcome to my channel. This channel will be focused on sales. We'll have tips, tricks, even some role play to help get you over the hump in terms of reaching your sales goals. I've had some experience. I've done door-to-door sales for Comcast. I've sold Chromebooks for Google, did some work with Samsung, and throughout that time, I've had quite a bit of success. So what I like to do is take what I know and share it with you. Never know. One tip could add 5 sales at the end of the week. Imagine what that looks like at the end of the month when considering your goals and your sales goal. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, like every video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification anytime a new video comes out. Then you can take that, watch it, practice, because that's highly important, and then you'll be able to add that to your arsenal. All right? See you next time. Thanks.